friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ronia. In today's video we are going to paint some really nice tulips. So we're going to start to fill my new sketchbook pad. Okay, I already did a few shorts showing few projects that I already did. Okay, that's the beginning of the pages. That's what I created today these days. So for now I'm gonna show you all my supplies here already. Normal regular water, my green mixture, and I already load my bamboo brush with the pigment that I'm gonna use today. Okay, really nice red to paint those really gorgeous tulips today. Very simple, gonna use just one brush. Okay, so let's start. So here are the tulips, very simple brush strokes. Okay, I left a little bit gaps in between on purpose just for you guys visualize the strokes. Okay, but you always can go and fill in, but it's just for you to see the shape in between. Okay, I hope you like it, and remember to always make time for yourself and to create. Okay, if you really like the video, please comment below, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.